Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by selecting the text you want turned into an image in Word. Next, insert a text box or use word art and paste the text there. Then format fonts, size, color, and spacing exactly how you want the final image. Make sure any line breaks and alignment are final before exporting. Confirm that only the text box or word art is selected for conversion. This reduces extra white space and prevents unwanted page elements from appearing in the image. With the text box or word art selected, right-click and choose Save as Picture. Choose PNG to keep transparency, or choose JPEG for smaller file size. Pick a file name and a folder to store the exported image file. If your Word version lacks Save as Picture, use Copy then Paste Special and select a picture format. After pasting as a picture, right-click that picture and choose Save as Picture to export reliably. This method yields a standalone image ready for other documents. For better resolution, increase the font size and image scale before exporting. Higher DPI and larger initial size prevent blurring when you reduce the image later. Choose PNG for transparency and crisp edges when you need a clear background. If you need multiple images, duplicate the text box and export them individually or group them for batch saving. As an alternative, use Snip and Sketch, or print to PDF, then export pages as images when Save as Picture fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.